In this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can save and export a file on Audacity. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So I've got a little audio file that I did go ahead and record a couple of minutes ago. What you need to go ahead and do to go ahead and save and export it once you finish recording is just simply go over to File there in the top left corner, and then you've got a couple of options here, and as you can see there's an option there for export. And then all you need to go and do is hover over that and then simply click on Export as MP3. And then once you've clicked on Export as MP3, you are brought to this page here where your audio files will be saved. So once you've done that, all you need to go and do is simply go ahead and click on the file name and give it a name, title it whatever you want so you can go ahead and find it easily. And then save as type, it's always going to be MP3 files, because obviously that's what you are recording in, and that's how you need to go ahead and edit it in your editing software once you've gone ahead and recorded. And then bitrate mode, just leave it as preset, and quality, leave it as a standard 170 to 210 kilobytes per second. And then variable speed, I leave it on fast, but it's obviously standard, so you can go ahead and change that if you like. I don't think it makes much of a difference. And then channel mode, I leave it on joint stereo because I've never really used stereo and force export to mono, and it works for me. The audio, sounds pretty good once it's all exported and saved and edited and everything like that. So just go ahead and leave that on joint stereo. And then once you've done that, all you need to simply go ahead and do is click on save, and it will go ahead and save to the file where your audio gets saved. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please remember to leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.